Hello, second grade. Today I want to talk to you about skip counting. So I have with me a 120s chart. So the first thing we're going to do is count by tens. So if I start with 10, okay, count by tens by saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. That's counting by tens. Okay. Another way that I can count by tens is I could start with 5. So if I count by 10 starting by 5, each time you move down a row, you're adding 10. So see how there's nothing in the tens place here, right? Just in the 5 in the ones place. If I come down here, there's a 1 in the tens place and nothing has changed in the ones place. And as you go down, you can see we have a 1, a 2, a 3, and then a 4 in the tens place. So you're going, each time you go down the rows, you're increasing, going up by 10, okay? So if I want to count by tens, starting with 5, I can go 5, 15, 25, 35. I'm still counting by 10. So I can start anywhere on the hundreds chart and do that. So I can start at 66, right? And if I go down, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106, 116, you can see that we're going up by 10 each time. We're going up 1 in the tens place. So you can count by tens by more than just saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so that's counting by tens. Now if we want to count by fives, I'm going to circle a couple of them and show you. So we have 5. What comes after 5? We count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Can you see a pattern? So we've got every time you count by fives, your number is going to end in 5 or in 0. Okay, so I'll circle a couple more and then show you. So if I'm counting by fives, I can say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now let's say you're doing a worksheet or you're filling in the blank for something and you're trying to figure out the pattern. You can start actually with any number. So I could start at 33 and count by fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8 in the ones place. Okay. And then I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you seeing a pattern starting to develop? So you can count by fives by any number. You can also skip count by twos by any number. Now, a typical way to count by twos would be this. This is the standard way we usually think of it, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. But you could start with 35 and count by twos. You just count every other number. Watch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. It's every other number if you're skip counting by twos. So that's one way that you can count. Okay, so today we talked about counting by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, or we talked about that you could start in any number and then just count ahead 5. It's a lot easier if you're using a hundreds chart as well. If you don't have a hundreds chart, you could always use your fingers. So let's say we started with 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, still counting by fives, even though I'm not ending in 5 and 0. Now, when we count by fives, like I said, if you're saying 5, 10, 15, 20, you're going to end in 5 or 0. Okay, but if you start with a random number like 82, if I want to do 5 more and count by fives, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So that's counting by fives. If I start with another number and I want to count by twos, let's say I start with 21, 22, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27. It's every other number, okay? So now we've reviewed counting by tens. So you go up 1 in the tens place each time. And we've reviewed counting by fives and counting by twos, okay? So that is our skip count review for the week. Tune back in and we will talk about how to skip count using money. Exciting. See you soon.